All right, fellas. So a couple days ago, Chevrolet razzle dazzled us with their new NASCAR body, and it's a sixth gen ZL1. The thing is they hardly made some changes, but we'll go over them here in a little bit. And at the end, I'm going to tell you what I think it really means or what it really is, because there's a little bit of minutia at the end of the article here. Let's get into it here real quick. But boom, and let me hop over to it. Okay, it says, surprise, the new NASCAR race car is still a Camaro. Okay, that's good. That's a very good sign for us as far as us wanting Camaro to come back. Now, for 2025, they updated it, as opposed to, okay, so it got a little raise on the Wicker Bill spoiler in the back. And it says it brings quite a few things with the carbon performance package, which brings a number of carbon fiber elements onto the road going. I hate the word road going. I hate it. Stop using that. We are not. We're American. Let's do better. Okay, let's do better. Including the ZL1 1LE grill, the splitter, carbon fiber front end caps, rocker extensions, hood inserts, and a generous spoiler. So obviously the hood vent got bigger with the sticker vinyl graphic gurney flap out front, and you got carbon fiber, more pronounced side skirts, and more aggressive expression on the more pronounced rocker panels. So that's pretty much it. But this is cool because I was kind of bummed at first because I was really hoping for some Camaro 7 anything, Easter eggs, total body change, whatever. But if we go down here, obviously it just goes through the nameplate, Camaro this and that, blah, blah, blah. They did at one time have the Blazer. They go in to talk about that the EV only race that's going. There was, I guess, a league or a season or some kind of they were going to go EV only. That's pretty much dead in the water, it looks like. Or at the very most, it's at a standstill. Nothing has progressed with it. I just don't know why, right? Anyways, I'm going to read this last little paragraph here. As a reminder, though, the Camaro is no longer in a production model. Its continued use is allowed by NASCAR so long as a vehicle exists as a production car at the time of its application for NASCAR competition. It can compete. What does that mean? Now, I'm taking this as at the time when they introduced this NASCAR body into NASCAR, the car was into production, which, means there is no expiration date, which means they have to use this body, or this body had to continue and live on if they wanted to call it a Camaro or have the Camaro nameplate. I think that they did that, giving us, the consumer, it's kind of a wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Camaro's coming back. Don't give up on it. The NASCAR ZL1 will debut as the start of 2026 racing season, making its first competition into. Okay. Yeah, it just talks about where it's going to be racing, what it is. So, anyways, yeah, I think that this is a very good clue, or a, kind of virtue signaling from GM saying, it's coming back. Don't worry. We're just going to use this body for now until we launch the new car. When Camaro 7 gets launched, then we'll have the rights to apply and change the body in NASCAR to Camaro 7. This is a good sign. So, anyways, we just have to put it on ice, wait it out. At least they're using the Camaro name. At least they're wanting people to see the Camaro car in the public eye. So, anyways, that's where I'm going to leave it. What do you fellas think? Drop it below. If you think I'm wrong, tell me why. I'll be more than happy to stand my ground on this one. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Like the video, subscribe on your way out. We'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.